Hello, once again, you're welcome to FTGFs Weekly Market Outlook. Now, I have a good news for you. So, for traders who are still struggling with when to enter the market, how to mentor, and all of that, I'm going to share with you a signal provider which has been in existence since 1999. And also for traders who want to, who are still learning and they want to make passive income, I'm also going to share with you how you can copy experienced traders' trades. And then also those who want to become partners, I'm also going to share that with you. But before we continue, let me share this with you. I am a globally recognized financial markets award-winning market analyst and educator, but I wanted to share this with you. I had this award in 2024 from International Business Magazine, as you can see here, as a market analyst, best market analyst, and an educator. Okay, 2024. I've also published books or 2 books on Amazon which are selling. You can grab a copy yourself. Now let's delve into it. If you want to you are still struggling with when and how to enter the markets, get an account with Ingot Brokers, or you can reach out to me for me to guide you on how to get account with Ingot Brokers. And then if you have your account, you log into your dashboard, you scroll down to resources like this, and then at the resources page you will see market analysis, where daily news, daily trading signals come in. So here you have your entry price, targets, and all of that. Okay, because we think about you, we have to ensure that you have all of these here. Also, if you're not logging into your dashboard but you want to have it from your MT5 directly, when you log into your MT5, down here you see trade, exposure, history, news. Okay, news, you see every time you have news coming up, and it has got to do with trading ideas or signals. So let's just choose this one, Ethereum USD. Okay, so you click on it, and or you double tap on it, and then the page will pop up where you are going to see the signal. So this is it. Okay, so you're seeing Ethereum intraday targets 2336. If you look at it, here is the 2336. Okay, so it's saying that their chances is going to come down, or it's going to sell. So as a trader, you just place your sell. But this is the description to the signals, as you can see here. And the nice thing is that this signal provider has been in existence since 1999. It should tell you something. Okay, so yes, that is it. If you want your signals, if you are using a mobile phone too, let's say you're using an Android phone, you open your MT5, top left you see where the quote is, tap on the quotes, a second page will pop up where you see news, and then the news page, you click on that, you see all of these here as well. If you're using an iPhone too, you click here, settings, a page will come, you select news, the news, you select where you see all of these signals. So yes, I just shared with you how you can get access to trading signals, trade on your own. Also, if you don't know, you still want to trade, but you don't want to go through the hassle of analyzing yourself or even picking the signals, you want to copy other traders' trade, click on copy trade in your dashboard, copy trade like this. And then in a copy trade, you can choose to become a follower. Okay, follower means you want to copy someone's trade. A provider means you want to provide signals so that people can also copy your trades. Okay, so when you click on this, you select the trading account that you would like to, it's already there, used to copy trades. You type in your password, you confirm, and then you are good to go. Okay, if you also want to become a partner, you can just click here, partnership like this, and then you just send a message where you are going to get your partnership conversation kicked from there. So once again, you are welcome to FTGFs Weekly Market Outlook. I've shared with you how to get trading signals, how to copy trade, how to also sign up to become a partner, and also joining my free educational sessions. Don't hesitate to just reach out for me to take you through all of that. Now let's delve into it. In our analysis, we look at the markets, different markets, but then we look at fundamental bit of it before we look at the technical bits of the analysis. So when you visit Ingot Brokers websites, top, you click here, then you scroll down, you click on economic calendar like this. Now with economic calendar, we are going to look at events going to come up in the coming week, and then we make our decisions from there. So from here, you can see this news app. Let's click on the calendar like this. So you tap here. Next week, I want to see the news coming up in the next week. Okay, so now we have all of these news coming from Japan, News coming from the US. Japan once again. We have consumer price index news coming from the US. It's very important that you need to pay good attention to. New Zealand, we have news coming from there. Australia, we also have news coming from Australia as well. US, I mean, crude oil, a lot coming from US, a lot coming from Australia as well. So Australia, we have unemployment rate news coming up. Switzerland, we have PPI news coming up. Europe, we also have unemployment change from the Eurozone also coming up. Canada, we have this news coming up. US, we have retail sales. So looking at all of these events coming up, it tells me that there are high chances USD pairs are going to move the market. So in this case, in the forex market, I would like to have a look at GBPUSD because there's news coming from UK as well. So now that we are done with our fundamentals or looking out for events, let's now move on to our MT5 and then look out for patterns and look out for the currency pairs that we would like to trade. Okay, so this is a trade that I have in there from last week. We are waiting for the market to open and see how it goes. Okay, so GBPUSD, like I mentioned, is the pair that we would like to trade. Because you have news coming from the US and then news coming also from UK. Okay, so if you look at this closely in the 4-hour chart, if we zoom in a little bit, you would realize that the market or the GBPUSD market has been in an uptrend. Has been ranging for some time now. Okay, so what do? We look out for our support and resistance. So we select this horizontal line to indicate our support. Let me change this so that it becomes a bit visible. White, color white, and make a bit thicker. Okay, I think you can see that now. Okay, also we look out for our resistance. Okay, so if you look at this closely, you realize that this has been the uptrend. This has been the market has been raging for some time now. So this, at this point, this was the support, okay, as you can see here, and then it moved up where this became the resistance. Okay, price moved down again here where it got rejected by the support once again here, and it's moving up currently as we all can see. So if you're a trader and you are looking out for a buy opportunity, you can place a buy trade and have your stop loss below the support. Okay, or if you're also looking out for a sell opportunity, you can wait for either the price to go and hit the resistance, you sell, or you wait for price to break the support for you to sell. Okay, so this is how to trade GBPUSD. Like I told you, you can still have access those signals that I shared with you. Also, that's for the forex market. In the commodities market, I would like us to look at gold. Okay, so gold, as usual, has been in an uptrend for some time now, and we see it getting rejected, or price getting rejected by the uptrend line, as you can see here. So I'm just zooming in well for you to see all of that. A moment. Okay. So if you look at this closely, price has been in an uptrend, and where the uptrend is started from here. There's the uptrend started from here, and then price got rejected here. Okay, then lastly, there's somewhere last week, price got rejected again by the uptrend line. So it will tell you that the uptrend line is really strong. Okay, it has rejected the price on 3 different occasions. So if you're a trader looking out for a sell opportunity, you wait for the candlestick or the price to break the uptrend line to the downside. You place your sell trade, and then you have your stop loss above the uptrend line. But remember, in all of these, ensure that you have your stop loss and take profits in place. Okay, if you are looking out for a buy opportunity too, you can place a buy trade, or you can wait for the price to get rejected once again by the uptrend line, and then you place your trade. Okay, that is it for the commodities market. We looked at gold. Now in the crypto market, we are going to look at BTCUSD, that's Bitcoin. Okay, so if it is Bitcoin that you want to trade in the coming week, this is how you can have a good look at this. Let's have a good look at this. Okay, So if we are choosing this as our reference, then the price is currently hovering around the resistance. Okay, so this was the resistance, this, and then price is currently at the resistance, as you can see here. Okay, so it has broken the resistance little. Okay, but remember the market closed over the weekend, so we are looking out for how the market is going to play out. So this as the resistance reference, and there's the current place that we have the price now. If the breakout is solid, then there are chances price is going to go up. Or if you're looking out for a buy opportunity, you can place a buy trade, have your stop loss below the resistance. If you're looking out for a sell opportunity, you can wait for this resistance, which is broken and currently serving as a support, to get broken to the downside, and you place your sell trade. Okay, so thank you once again for joining me. And like I said, if you are a trader struggling with support and all of that, you can reach out to me. I'm going to help you with education. If you also want signals, you can create an account with God Brokers. You go to resources, you get the signals. If you want to also copy trades from experts, you also go to copy trading and copy your trades from there. Thank you very much for joining me. Catch you next week.